Rockpals. New power station. DC voltage is on, 12 volt. Turn on the diesel heater. Startup sequence. It says 10 amps, and that's about what the glow plug pulls. I think this is 505 watt hours. It should run it for a couple days, and it's my first test, brand new. Fail. Too many watts on startup. Second attempt. It says 10 amps, and the glow plug should draw about that much, but it won't do it. Fail. Second attempt. I'm gonna plug it into 12 volt. It's charged 100%. Then I'll see if I can get it started with it plugged into the 12 volt. And then when it's running at lower wattage after 5 minutes startup, I'll unplug the charger. Test number 3. Got the remote on. I'll start it on 1, less wattage. It drew 135 watts, and I think 10 amps is 120 watts. So we'll see if this will work. If it'll get it past the glow plug, then it should run it. My Bougerv, it's a 1100 watts. It runs it fine, startup and everything. Fail. Will not start the diesel heater. Trying a different diesel heater. This one has a toggle switch, and I can turn the RV batteries on to get the glow plug to start. We're going to see if it'll work. It wouldn't work in the other room, but I'm trying it here. Once it gets running, the glow plug, then I can shut the toggle switch off, and this should run the diesel heater. I can do the setup like that in the other room too, as long as my RV batteries are powered up. It's right at borderline 110 watts. Fuel pump's running. Glow plug's running. So it's like a battery assist. This brand new Rockpals just doesn't have the watt hours to run the glow plug on a diesel heater. There it started, ignited. Once the glow plug goes off, I'll shut the toggle switch off and see if it runs the diesel heater by itself. You can see the wattage. Green light's still on. It's running. There the glow plug went off. Wait till it ramps up and settles down. It's on setting 3, so its fan's gonna run pretty good. shut the toggle switch off and see if it keeps running. Okay, it's running totally off the new Rockpals. So the Rockpals 105 watt hours is not enough to run the glow plug, but I just had a workaround, jump start. I charged it up to 100%. That's what the owner's manual said, brand new. I'll let it run for a minute, go through the cycle. I'm sure I have a flash on my camera, but I'm not using it. Got the cold air intake around to the back. It's running. The fan is cooling the batteries in the Rockpals, so it's smaller and they heat up more than the bigger one, Bougerv right behind it, which uses more power. Well, it's running it. I'm gonna put the setting down, see if it just runs by itself. Drop the wattage a lot on #1 setting. Well, as long as I get to past the glow plug stage, this will run it. It's throttling down to #1 setting. On the Bougerv 1100 watt, it uses about 13 hours of run the diesel heater at night, uses 10% of the battery. I'm not going to run this one that long tonight. I'm just testing it today, see how it goes. It's running the diesel heater.